A good cargo basket or hitch carrier is one of the easiest ways to free up space inside your vehicle and actually enjoy the ride without everyone sitting shoulder to shoulder with luggage. But with so many options out there, knowing which ones are actually built well and worth the money takes a little research. So we did that for you and found the 8 best cargo baskets and hitch carriers. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these cargo hitch carriers aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Maxhaul 70-107 cargo carrier. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. It mounts straight into a standard 2-inch hitch receiver, so setup is quick and straightforward. You don't need any special tools. Just attach it and you're ready to load up. The basket itself is 53 by 19.5 inches on the outside, with raised side rails running 5 inches high. That matters because your gear isn't just sitting on a flat platform. It's actually contained. Bags, coolers, boxes, everything's gonna stay put instead of shifting around while you're moving. Plus, it's built from heavy-duty steel, which is what you want when you're loading it up. It holds up to 500 pounds of distributed weight. This is solid capacity for the price point. It works across trucks, SUVs, vans, and RVs. Anything with a standard hitch receiver, and you're not locked into one vehicle either. So if you need a reliable cargo carrier that gets the job done without putting a dent in your wallet, the Maxhaul 70-107 is hard to beat. Number 7 is the Yakima Exo Swing Base. This is the best swing-out alternative on our list. This carrier completely changes how you access the back of your vehicle. It plugs into any standard 2-inch hitch and becomes a base you can build on. Yakima makes a whole lineup of accessories that attach directly to it. Gear lockers, bike mounts, and cargo baskets, so you're not locked into one setup. You can mix and match depending on what your trip needs. And the swing out feature is the real ease of use. When you're fully loaded and need to get into the trunk, you just swing the whole thing out of the way. You don't have to unload anything or juggle gear around. It moves cleanly and gets out of your path. Security is covered too. It comes with a hitch lock to keep the base attached to your vehicle, plus 2 SKS locks for whatever you have loaded on it. The Exo cleat system with speed knobs means you can swap accessories on and off without reaching for any tools. Now, the weight capacity sits at 100 pounds and the build feels premium. It's rugged, but not heavy. Here's what Jeremy wrote. This swing base is super solid and easy to install or switch whatever accessory you want, which is good, considering the price tag. I love it. It doesn't make any noise, and I hardly realize it's even there, except when backing up. So if you want a cargo system that swings out of the way and actually grows with your needs, the Yakima Exo Swing Base is the one to get. Number 6 is the Harbor Freight Haul Master. This is the deepest cargo basket on our list. This one gives you more room for your gear than almost anything else out there. The basket measures 49.25 by 22.5 inches on the outside, with side rails rising 7.25 inches high. That depth is what sets it apart. Taller items, bulkier bags, awkward-shaped gear, you can fit everything without worrying about spilling out on the highway. The frame is extruded aluminum, so it's light but still holds up to 500 pounds. And unlike steel, it won't rust out on you over time. Cleaning it up after a muddy trip is also way less of a headache. Underneath, there's a heavy-duty steel support frame with a standard 2-inch hitch shaft. It fits Class 3 and 4 receivers, which cover most trucks, SUVs, and vans without any adapter needed. Safety details are covered too. Reflector lenses and red corner accents make the carrier visible to drivers behind you, especially at night or in low light. And the high side rails double as tie-down points, so strapping everything down is straightforward. One buyer puts it as great value. Comes with a hitch stabilizer, which is needed. Fits very loosely in the hitch, but the stabilizer shores that up. It's extremely light, which makes attaching it much easier. Using it on a Kia Sorento, and it doesn't cover up the taillights. So if you need a cargo carrier with serious depth and room to spare, the Maxhaul 70108 is the one to go with. Number 5 is the Ericsson Big Bed Hitch Carrier. This is the best for truck owners. It plugs into a standard 2-inch receiver and adds 48 inches of usable length behind your tailgate. So if you're hauling lumber, pipes, ladders, or anything long that won't fully fit in the bed, Then, this fills that gap without you needing a trailer or a bigger truck. Plus, it is all steel construction with a black powder coat finish, so it handles weather and heavy use without showing it. Also, the weight capacity sits at 400 pounds of evenly distributed load, which covers most hauling situations you'd realistically run into. The basket measures 48 inches wide and 6 inches tall on the sides. It keeps whatever you load in it from sliding off the edges. And when the job's done, it folds up for storage, so it's not taking up space in your garage. So if you drive a truck and regularly haul long or oversized loads, the Erickson Big Bed is the carrier that makes the most sense for how you actually use your vehicle. And if you want to know the latest prices for the cargo hitch carriers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Yakima Holdup. This is the best for cyclists. This cargo hitch carrier is built specifically around bikes and how cyclists actually travel. It mounts into a 2-inch hitch receiver and holds 2 bikes on individual trays. Wheel sizes from 20 all the way up to 29 inches are supported, and tires up to 3 inches wide fit without any hassle. Disc brakes, through axles, full suspension frames, it handles all of it without needing adapters or workarounds. It mounts your bike to the wheels, not the frame. That's important because painted finishes and carbon frames stay protected. With this setup, the clamps never dig into the tubing or contact points. It also helps prevent wear and gives you added confidence during use. Plus, side-to-side spacing between the 2 bikes is adjustable, so they're not bumping into each other on the road. And when you need to get into the back of your vehicle with both bikes loaded, the whole rack tilts down out of the way. Each bike gets a 60-pound capacity, 120 total. Integrated SKS locks secure the bikes to the rack and the rack to your hitch. And if you ever need to carry 4 bikes, the optional hold-up plus 2 extension adds 2 more spots. So if you're a cyclist who wants a rack built around protecting and transporting bikes properly, the Yakima Hold-Up is exactly that. Number 3 is the Kingbird Folding Cargo Carrier. This is the best all-in-one. Everything you need to load up and hit the road is already in the box of this cargo hitch carrier. It's made from heavy-duty tubular steel with a carbide black powder coat finish, so rust isn't something you have to think about. It hauls up to 550 pounds, which puts it ahead of most carriers in this category. The basket itself measures 60 by 24 inches with 6-inch side rails. Those rails have metal plates along them. They give you solid anchor points to strap things down or attach a cargo net when you're done with a trip, and the angled shank folds up so it's not sticking out behind your vehicle. Plus, you're going to have an 18 cubic foot waterproof cargo bag that fits the basket almost perfectly. That's a lot of protected storage space. On top of that, a hitch stabilizer is included to cut down on rattling and movement while driving. Plus, 2 rainproof ratchet straps keep everything locked in place. Visibility is covered too. It has 2 large reflectors on the rear and 3 more on the fold frame to keep the carrier visible at night. So if you want a cargo carrier that comes ready to use right out of the box, the Kingbird is the easiest yes on this list. Number 2 is the Machins Folding Cargo Carrier. This is the best value. This hitch carrier gives you more accessories, more storage, and a longer warranty than almost anything else at this price. The carrier itself is 60 by 24 inches with 6-inch side rails. It's built from all-weather steel and rated for 500 pounds. The 2-inch shank has a raised design for better ground clearance and a license plate bracket. So you're not scrambling to figure that out separately. It also comes with a massive waterproof bag that's 25 cubic feet and made from abrasion-resistant vinyl with waterproof zippers and reinforced seams. So rain, mud, whatever the road throws at it, your stuff stays dry inside. And the list of accessories is genuinely impressive. You're gonna have a hitch stabilizer and lock set to kill the rattling, 3 buckle straps, 2 ratchet straps, and a 36 by 20 inch expandable cargo net. That's everything you need to strap things down properly. And what really seals the deal is the 10-year limited warranty. That backing on a cargo carrier is rare. So if you want the most complete package without spending a premium, the Machins is the clear value winner on this list. Number 1 is the Kirk Folding Carrier. This is the best overall on our list. This one is made from heavy-duty tubular steel. and the build feels solid. The basket measures 58 by 20 inches with 6-inch side rails on all sides. That extra inch of height over most competitors. This makes a real difference when you're loading bags and boxes and don't want things shifting around at highway speed. Plus, the mesh base is a small detail that matters a lot. Mud, water, dirt, all drain straight through instead of sitting and collecting at the bottom. And the cleanup after a camping trip or a rainy drive takes almost no effort. It slots into any standard 2-inch receiver and holds up to 500 pounds. And when you're not using it, the folding shank lets you tilt the whole carrier up and out of the way, and you don't have to fully remove it every time. So if you want a cargo carrier that's dependable and well-built, the Curt One 8151 is the best overall pick on this list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect cargo hitch carrier. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each cargo hitch carrier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.